exhale, push it through. Keep on going like that. Fluid movement here just to wake up the back side and the front side of our body. And then relax. Next exercise we will do on our forearms. So you come onto a tabletop pose, lower your forearms down to the mat. You will do cat and cow here. Let's go. 30 seconds. Lift your heart on the inhale. On the exhale, you round your spine. Inhale, lift, pull the shoulders back together. Exhale, chin to chest, round your spine. Also moving the hips, getting a full spinal mobility. Biggest movement possible for you today. And then relax. Nice. Next one also on our forearms. This time we will lift the right leg and with the left hand you grab the right foot. Let's start the timer and go for 30 seconds. Lifting, arching your spine as tall as you can. And then lower. Change sides. Right hand to left leg. Arch your spine. Exhale low. A few more like this on your own. Choose your own pace. Last one. And then relax and release. The next one will be 90-90 with a twist to move the hips and the spine. This one is amazing for your entire body mobility. Let's start. 30. First time. You turn, look over the shoulder. Then you lift your legs. Next to the other side. Turn and twist. On the inhale, you lift. On the exhale, you turn. Going like that. Make sure your spine is straight. Beautiful. Maybe twist a little bit deeper each time. Last one. Exhale, release. Back to a 90-90 pose. We will rotate our spine now. Let's start the timer. Grab with the right hand your left wrist, leaning over to the right side, and then start drawing some circles with your upper body and with your hips. Biggest movement possible for you today. Now change directions. And then let's go. 30 seconds. Drawing circles here. Really move the hips too. It's like stirring a pot with your arms. Just try feeling into it. Then change directions. Drawing in the other direction. Almost there. Just 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release. From there, find your way into a pigeon pose. Left leg forward, right leg extending straight back. Engage your legs, so you pull them together. Right glutes engaged, pushing the left shin down into the mat. You can stay here holding an active weight or hands behind your head, and then we'll do dips, leaning forward as far as you can today. And we go for 30. You do your version. Just staying engaged in your legs. Going as far as you can today. Stay with your breath. Exhale, you go down. On the inhale, you lift up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change. Right leg forward, left leg back. Once again, either you hold actively, pushing your shin down, engaging your left glutes, arms by your side, or hands behind your head and you take dips.